When old-growth forests have nearly disappeared, what can guide ecological restoration? This is the challenge facing Nothofagus alessandrii, or Ruil, an endangered tree endemic to Chile. Researchers surveyed 3 well-preserved, naturally regenerated forests, analyzing species composition, size diversity, and spatial structure to develop restoration reference models. All sites showed moderate species diversity, with many more small trees than large ones. Ruil trees tended to cluster within 2 to 6 meters. Species interactions varied across spatial scales, and at the mid-successional stage, smaller trees mixed more readily with other species than larger ones. These findings can help guide restoration efforts and also show that secondary forests can provide valuable reference models for threatened forest ecosystems, not only in the Southern Hemisphere, but also around the world.